66 million years ago, the sky caught fire. A mountain-sized asteroid slammed into Earth with more force than billions of nuclear bombs. In minutes, forests ignited. Oceans boiled near the impact zone. But this isn't just the story of how dinosaurs died. It's the story of how they ruled the planet for over 160 million years, and what finally ended their empire. Long before humans, before mammals ruled, dinosaurs dominated every continent. They weren't just giant reptiles. They were engineers of ecosystems, from chicken-sized hunters to skyscraper-long giants. And for 160 million years, nothing could stop them. So how did it all begin? Dinosaurs didn't rise in a peaceful world. They were born from catastrophe. 252 million years ago, the Permian mass extinction wiped out 90% of life on Earth. Oceans collapsed, forests vanished, the planet reset, and from the ashes, something new began to evolve. About 230 million years ago, in what is now South America, the first true dinosaurs appeared. They were small, fast, two-legged, no bigger than a large dog, but evolution had given them a secret weapon: speed. Back then, Earth had only one supercontinent, Pangaea. No Atlantic Ocean, no familiar coastlines. Dinosaurs could walk across what would one day become Africa, North America, and Europe without ever touching water. Then came the giants, sauropods, the largest land animals to ever live. Some weighed as much as 15 elephants. Their necks stretched longer than a school bus, and somehow they thrived. Not all dinosaurs were giants. Some evolved feathers, sharp claws, forward-facing eyes. Creatures like Velociraptor were closer to birds than reptiles, and they hunted with strategy. And then came the king, Tyrannosaurus rex, a predator with a bite force stronger than a car crusher, teeth the size of bananas, vision possibly better than a hawk's, but even kings have weaknesses. Dinosaurs ruled land, but oceans had their own nightmares. Mosasaurs, plesiosaurs, marine reptiles longer than a city bus. The seas were not safe. Even the skies were dangerous. Pterosaurs with wingspans wider than a small airplane soared overhead. Earth wasn't just ruled, it was conquered in 3 dimensions. Droughts, floods, volcanic eruptions. Dinosaurs didn't just fight predators, they fought the planet itself. And climate was changing. Triceratops versus Tyrannosaurus rex wasn't fantasy. These were real battles. Fossils show healed bite marks. Dinosaurs laid dozens of eggs at a time. But most hatchlings never survived. Some small theropods didn't stay grounded. They became birds. Pangaea split. Isolation changed evolution. By the late Cretaceous, dinosaurs had perfected dominance. They were at their peak, which is exactly when vulnerability hides. Rising volcanic activity. The planet was restless. Then came a normal day. No warning from the sky. In the 1990s, scientists confirmed it. A buried scar beneath Mexico's Yucatan Peninsula. The Chicxulub crater, over 110 miles wide, proof of an asteroid impact powerful enough to end an era. Around the world, a thin layer of iridium marks the same moment in time. Rare on Earth, common in asteroids, a global death line. The impact triggered earthquakes stronger than any in human history. Firestorms circled the globe. Dust blocked sunlight for months. Plants died, food chains collapsed. Small size, flexible diet, flight. Birds, the last living dinosaurs, endured. For decades, volcanism was blamed. Now we know it was both, asteroid and volcanic stress combined. 75% of species vanished. Not just dinosaurs, entire ecosystems erased. After the silence, forests regrew. Mammals emerged from the shadows. Evolution filled the vacuum. The first primates evolved from small tree-dwelling mammals. The path to humans had begun. Every pigeon, every eagle, every sparrow, they carry dinosaur DNA. If that asteroid missed by minutes, mammals may have stayed small, humans might never have evolved. Dinosaurs ruled Earth longer than humans have even existed. They survived ice, fire, and evolution itself, until one moment changed everything. And tonight, as you look up at the sky, remember, it has happened before, and the universe is still out there,